Okay, so to check if functions are inverses of each other on the calculator, you want to first put your first function in y1, what you believe to be the inverse in y2, and then in y3 we're just going to simply put y3 equals x. I am going to go over here to y3 and go left of the equal sign and try to make that show up as bold, or you can keep it just a different color if you know on this colored calculator. But if you have the older styles, you might want to make it a bold line. Okay, we'll recognize it as the black line on this one. So let's push graph, and what we see is this is the first equation. This is what we believe to be its inverse, and then we get this black line called y equals x coming through. If there's symmetry on the line y equals x, then they're inverses of each other. So that is saying basically if you can fold it on that black line there, y equals x, and see symmetry there, then these are inverses of each other. So these are inverses. Let me go back to y equals and show you. Let's say a student thought that it should have been, clear this out, a student thought that it should have been x divided by 2 in parentheses, then minus 3. We'll very quickly see these are not inverses of each other, because here's the original, the first function. Here's the second function. Things kind of seem to be looking the same until y equals x gets graphed through there, and you can already tell that this right here is not reflected over the y equals x line. So graphing them is an alternative approach to knowing if they're inverses or not. It's a way to check.